When we first see functions in our algebra class, they're usually presented as f, then parentheses x, pronounced as f of x, equals, and then a string of terms. But what makes a function a function? The key lies in this rule, input and output. The definition is that for every input, there is only one output. If we're thinking in graphing terms, it's for any value of x that's in the function, there is one and only one y value for that x. If you're looking at an equation or a table that uses f of x, it means for any value of x, there is only one f of x. To identify a function in a graphing form, you can use the vertical line test. If you were to take a line or ruler and drag it across the graph that you're given, does it ever cross the line, the drawing, the graph more than one time? If it only crosses it one time, the whole length across, it is a function, no matter what it looks like. Look at this example here in the middle. We have this nice wave, but as I go across, my vertical line is only crossing it at one point at any given location. So for every x, there's only one y. This is called a piecewise function. It's in two parts, but still, it's still a function, because as I go along, it's only crossing it one time all the way across the graph. Here are some ones that are not functions. If I drag it across this first piecewise function, right there, I have two locations where it's crossing. It only has to happen once. It doesn't have to happen the whole way through. Same here, it's crossing at 2 points, multiple locations, and also same with the circle. If you're given graphs, and it could be x and y or x and f of x, you want to look for those x values and see if they repeat. If the x values do not repeat, then this is a function. It does not matter if the y's are repeated, only if the x's are repeated. Over here where it's reversed, I have x in here twice with two different y values. This is not a function. Same thing if it's presented as x and f of x. As long as the x's are all different, it doesn't matter if any of the f of x's repeat. However, if I have two x's that are the same, that is not a function because then I have two f of x values for that x. Hey guys, this video was helpful or useful in any way, please feel free to let the algorithm know about it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, even buy me a coffee if you're so inclined. Links for that down below as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.